see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Ng trackies. 2 for 99. I pay. Because I owe you 79. That's nice. Yeah. Okay, go. Okay, let's go. Ito yung aking latik. Ayan na siya. Kanin na lang.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I
Oops! Good morning, guys. Si Brady nagluluto siya ng pancake. Ako gasan ko itong berries and strawberries. Today is Friday, June 24.
got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me.
Ayan siya, tulog pa siya. Good morning, baby. Pancake is ready. Morning. How's your sleep? Good. Come on. We'll wait for you there, okay? Okay. I have whipped cream, cream only, not whipped. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
You want pancake and syrup? Do you want any next? Oh, I think we have another one. Oh, sorry.
Come on, Papa. Come on.
Okay.
Huh?
Any more bottles of water in the fridge?
Water. Yeah, here. I know you have. Get the honey.
Good morning.
You just ate one with tap water in it, John.
Binihisan ko na siya kasi maglalaro na to after after breakfast.
Is my pancake ready?
Italian kita.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast.
Hihintay siya ng pancake niya. Ayun si Daddy na ang nagluluto.
Where's the boys?
Hey, flip that one.
I did. Not yet, hon.
Yeah, well, you
Okay,
want to
thank you. Ito, maglalaba siya, sila ni Ben. Yan yung pangalawa
What's
nating
in it?
laban. Dirty clothes. Ando na yung dalawa, sila yung maglalaba. Good luck, boys. Maglalaba sila. Ang cute. Kaya ni Holly mag-breakfast and mag-edit ako, guys. Wala pa akong na-edit talaga. Kasi si Jan, sabi niyan, we're in a holiday. Just enjoy. Oh, oy, Baba, why is it there? Come on.
You put it there.
Did I? Okay. I-decorate niya yung pancake niya. Oh. Wow. It is perfect, Baba. And syrup. And
That was fantastic.
yeah.
Give me some
Fork? Okay. Hey, Baba.
Yes, strawberry on my... Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, say kain.
Kain.
I-decorate niya yung pancake niya. Oh.
Perfect.
Wow. It is perfect, Baba. And syrup. And
That was fantastic.
yeah.
Give me some
Fork.
food.
Okay. Hey, Baba.
Yes, strawberry on my. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, say kain.
And for a walk,
With who?
Daddy
And-
and Malloy.
Alright. Mag-walking daw sila. Andun na, naload na nila yung labahan.
My shoe.
And ako, sa nihuli yung kanyang breakfast, tinirahan niya akong isang strawberries. So, ito yung akin. Tsaka meron pa dyan. Where are you going, babe?
Mom, I just need my jamon.
Huh? You don't need this?
No, because I gotta get warm
Okay.
and hot.
Alright. Mag-edit ako after kong kumain. Alis na siya. Let me see you, Baba. Show me your helmet. Wow. Be careful. Tapos ako mag-breakfast and nakahugas na rin ako, guys. Ang gawin ko ay maliligo na ako. Pero hindi ko babasain yung buhok ko. Kasi mamaya alis kami. Lunch. So, hindi pa ako nakakapag-edit, guys. So, maligo na ako para mamaya ready na tayo. Yung mga bata nasa game room ulit, nandito tayo. Inayos ko lang yung mga beds nila. Okay, maligo na tayo. Dito na si Jan. Did you hang the clothes, Han? Okay, tapos na nilang isampay yung ano, ayan yung dadalhin ko sa bathroom. Where's my towel? Han, I'm going to the bathroom, so I have to lock this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Where's the key?
Where's the key? Here. Hindi ko na muna kayo dadalhin doon, guys. Iwan ko muna kayo dito. Hi, Zach. Where are you going? Zach, you're going with Dad?
What size are these, babe?
Size. Kanina pa ako tapos maligo, guys. And ayan, nag-edit na ako. Merong isa pang caravan na dumating. Diyan siguro siya sa gitna namin ni Willow. Ayan, oh. Diyan siya, oh. Sana tinabi na lang kami dito sila, no? So, ayan. Siguro nauna sila magpabook. So, ayan sila. Wala lang, na-share ko lang sa inyo. And ayan, nag-edit ako. Dito na sila. Alis na kami, guys. So, hindi ko pa to. Tapos wala pa. Kunti pa lang yung nai-edit ko. Alis na raw kami. Andito na sila eh. Gusto niya magpalit ng damit. Naiinitan daw siya. Ayan siya, guys. Tinalian ko ulit siya kasi gulo-gulo na yung buhok niya. Okay. Punta raw kami sa daddy ni Brody kasi nandito rin sila. Pero hindi dito sa Big Force. Sa ibang hotel. And dadalhin namin yung towels and swimwear nila kasi may pool daw doon. Do you want apples, Holly? Magdala kami ng food.
Yes, please.
Apple?
No, thank actually.
No, alright. Dala tayong drinks. Meron ako ditong Cascade. Dala ako nito. May lemon dito. Yung mga bata fruit box. Han, do you have Coke and fruit box there, Han, to put here?
Yeah, there's no Coke.
Oh, fruit box.
Bring that one in the fridge and I'll have some fruit box out of the Esky.
Are you bringing the Esky?
No, I'm not.
No, just grab some.
I'll bring some fruit box out of the Esky.
Yeah. So, fruit box and meron tayong chips dito. Nag-init akong tubig. Dala ako nito. Meron ako dito malaking chips. Nasaan? Gawin natin to. Beb! Where are you, Han? Beb! Whoa. Stay with Daddy. We're going soon.
Where?
To Max pa. Oops. And I think we're gonna have lunch. Pero gusto kong mag-noodles. Nag-crave na ako nito. Masarap to, guys. Ito yung sa Japan. Okay. Dala ako ng spoon. Spoon fork. Okay na yan. Okay, alis na tayo, guys. Punta tayo sa papa ni Brody. Are they staying in apartment or hotel? Apartment. Mainit. Naka-jacket tayo. Kasi bro, naka-jacket din kasi. Pero nakaan tayo. Leggings. Naka-leggings. Pero may dala ako dyan na dinahan ko rin si Oli na Not leggings pala. Ano to? Biker shirt ang suot ko. May dala akong
Are you
leggings.
nice and fresh now,
Pati
buddy?
si
Got some
Holly.
Excuse me.
This is my shell from Cousin Heads.
There, any babe.
Shell. Look.
Ah, souvenir.
Mom, Zach got a shell from Cousin Heads.
Yeah. And, ito yung aking noodles. Kainin ko na to.
I only get one from the airport.
So, sana huwag kayong mahulog.
Nah, but
Huwag kayong mahulog. Yeah, ganyan.
cold the water look.
Where's my...
Doesn't look that cold.
Should be alright if it was hot.
I hope
is
my
hot.
camera won't
It's
fall.
not that.
Camera.
Why is there one all the way up the top there?
Where?
There's a code above. Oh, motor thing.
Harap.
Trucks. How far are they, Dad?
What?
Where we're going?
I don't know, but we're just going to car wash first.
Why?
Get the car wash, mate. Get it shining.
Wait, can we go
Do you know?
do that?
Yeah, that's right, where we went yesterday. So which one we turn at?
Dad, can we go to the automatic?
No, I'm going to do it.
Mag-car wash daw muna tayo. Si Bri, kumuha siya ng yung free ice
I'll
din
leave my
nila.
door
Do
open.
you remember
Sabi-
which one it was, Tyrone?
Nakuha rin natin kahapon. Sana nadala ko yung phone.
That's a motel. Is that where they are? Oh, you got
What's that? No, there was a bit of a drive though.
Oh, a bit driving. Medyo malayo-layo daw.
Is it an hour?
Making me smell noodles.
Which one we turn at? Up here.
The hell long is it?
Cancel.
There's some lawn bowling. Jeez, so many. Why is lawn bowling for older people? So, it'll hurt their back.
That's right.
So how they bend them down?
I know, but they like that. That's their sport, kuya. Yung bowling, what do you call that, yeah?
Lawn bowling.
This building
Lawn.
here. This
Lawn
building,
bowling.
yeah, lawn bowling.
Lawn bowling. Kasi sa lawn.
This building here is where we turn.
Okay.
Ocean Paradise.
Kakain ko yung buhok ko.
I thought you were talking
No,
about that
Dad,
white
this is
one.
Yan, Ocean Paradise. Sarap. Ang mga bata ayaw nila seafood. Seafood kasi po.
Dad,
Oh,
is it at the shopping centre?
no, it's just on the left. Just before when the shop centre's here, it was just there. I seen it yesterday.
What, the car wash?
Yeah,
So it's like in half an hour drive there.
2 seconds, Zachary. Just up here at the end of the street here.
Is it where they are?
Yeah.
But you said it was a bit of drive.
No, then when we go to the other one, we go to the cruise. I think it's only 10 minutes.
Nope.
Do you know where we're going, huh? After here?
Wait, is that the swim
Sawtell.
centre?
Ah, hotel. You said apartment.
Sawtell.
Hotel.
So
That's the place. The name of the place.
Do we have to go on the highway?
I don't know. It's follow Willow. He knows where to go.
Is Willow gonna come here?
Yeah, Willow's washing his car too. Because they got bird shit all over it.
Okay, si
Have I
Willow
missed
din
it?
pala.
No. Where is it? Car wash.
That one.
Drive through. Oh no.
Around that.
Next left.
Just here. Oh, how do you get up
How do you
there?
get up there? Naubos. Matagal-tagal pa tayo dito, guys. Oh. Naunahan pa tayo ni Willow. Ayun si Jan. Ayun si Jan ni Boy. Oh. Naging car wash boy na siya ni Willow dun. Oh.
That's not
Alright.
Yeah.
No, it isn't. Look. Look.
He just stuck it back on, mate.
Yeah,
That's sticky
okay.
tape.
Tayo na yung next. Si Willow, ayun, no.
No.
Okay, let's go. Malinis na yung car natin. Basang-basa nga lang. Ayun si Willow, hinintay tayo.
Wait.
When you're next to me, girl,
Dito na tayo. Bless you. Dito na tayo, guys. Bless you. Dito tayo sa Barbeque Resort. Dito naka-check-in yung papa niya. Ayan na, oh. Si Holly, dala niya si Mushi. Where's Mushi? Yeah. Parang resort dito, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Dito magsiswimming yung mga bata. Oh, what do you think, Baba? Isak dala niya yung towels and swimwears nila nandiyan. Mushi.
She cracked her leg, so she can't walk.
Oh, she can't walk.
How'd she crack it? She fell over.
First time ko makakita ng gumamela dito sa Australia. Di ba gumamela yan? Oh. Meron din dito, guys. Oh. Yung dalawa, ayun, oh. Bit-bit nila yung eski. Dito sila naka-check-in, oh. Ayan, ah. Ito yung balcony nila, guys, oh. Ang view nila ay, ayun, may lake doon. Hindi nyo naman kita kasi may screen. Magba-barbecue daw tayo dito, guys. Oh, outing talaga to, outing. Get your escape, babe. Okay, yan yung kanilang swimwear. Dito ako sa may araw. Ah, nice. Nice here. Ivy, nice here. Nagba-barbecue na sila doon. Dito yung mga bata. Yung pool andoon.
What's for lunch?
Sausages.
We had meat yesterday too.
So what do you want? Fish? Hiya.
Yes!
Heated? No. Tingnan natin. This is nice.
Yeah.
But it's not heated. Baba, it's not heated, Baba. How is it, Baba? Cold?
Cold.
Cold. Yeah.
I want it cold.
No, it's cold. I know, but the water is cold. No jumping or diving. Yan yung pool. It's cold.
Magnolia?
Magnolia? Oh, no. Tinatanong ko,
Gloria.
tinatanong ko anong tawag nito sa kanila. Sa atin kasi gumamela, may red doon. Dito naman yellow. Ayan.
Oh, look at that star.
Yeah. Oh, that spa. Maybe the spa is hot.
Cold.
Cold? Yeah, it's cold.
How about this one?
Magnolia?
Magnolia? Oh, no. Tinatanong ko,
Gloria.
tinatanong ko anong tawag nito sa kanila. Sa atin kasi gumamela, may red doon. Dito naman yellow. Ayan.
No, you got 3 tries. What? No, 2.
Kailangan ma-shoot dyan. 1. Good job.
Okay. You only get 1. You know,
What shoes is this one?
I don't know. They don't fit my feet, so they're not mine.
That's enough, you got to do.
Can you move it,
Go on,
Han? Babe, can you move that? Yeah, thank you.
Missed the first try.
Yeah!
See, you only one.
Hey, John.
Give me $2.
Wow.
See, you have to get it through.
Go. Wow.
Yeah, right.
Left hand. How's your kangaroo? Is it kangaroo, yeah? Rabbit. Kangaroo. My baby girl is here.
Mommy, what would you like for your food?
Minnie, whatever you can make. Alright. Hindi sila makapag-swim kasi malamig yung pool. So dito na lang siya.
To cook first, alright.
Alright. What are you making?
Fried rice. I put the peas. I put after the bawang, I put some onion, and then the peas, and then I'm cooking the rice.
Rice, alright.
So I have to stir it up
Okay. See you later. Nauuhaw ako.
and come back.
Okay. Inom tayo guys ng apple splash. Harap. Yung papa ni Brody ang nagba-barbecue.
Your food's ready.
Tinatawag niya na ako kasi luto na raw yung fried rice. Okay, I'll go there later, okay?
But it's gonna get cold, Mom.
Okay, later na lang. It's nice and warm here, Baba. Thank you for cooking me. Thank you.
But it's already cold, Mom.
It's alright. Thank you. Can you bring me some here? Oh, no, you can't, Baba. Ayan, guys. Luto na yung ating barbecue.
They look different.
May kebabs, may sausages, salad, bread, and chips. Ayan, kain na, guys. Si Holly, ayaw niya ng bread. Yeah. Si Sak, you like the kebab, Sak? The chicken kebab? Kuya? You like the chicken kebab? Ayun si Max doon. Oh. And the rest, dito.
Oh my god, is that animal
Sarap.
living here?
Ang sarap ng Turkish bread.
It's called a bush turkey, guys. Not a dump. I wasn't there.
Si Sak, you like the kebab, Sak? The chicken kebab? Kuya? You like the chicken kebab? Ayun si Max doon. Oh. And the rest, dito.
Oh my god, is that animal
Sarap.
living here?
Ang sarap ng Turkish bread.
It's called a bush turkey, guys.
Yung mga bata may balak mag-swimming sa malamig na tubig. Pinasok na namin sa apartment yung mga hugasan. Nasa dishwasher na. Eto, ayan. Papalit na siya. Good luck talaga dyan sa malamig na po.
I left my photos in the camera, but I do have it. It's in the car.
Is it in the car? Daddy's getting it for you? Okay. Ha? Dessert na sila. Pero si Ola, ayan, pagpalit na siya pati si Ivy. Pero may dessert doon. Oh. Brownie. You have to... No. Go, Baba. You have to go jump, Baba.
Oh god, it's cold.
Oh. Go, Baba.
It doesn't turn on.
Baba, you go with Ivy, Baba.
I'll come over to you.
No, don't push, Holly. No pushing.
Get in.
No pushing, Daddy. Ano, pinush ka ni Dad.
This is pretty warm.
Ano, yeah?
It is. I can't. Numb. I feel it.
Go, Baba. You have to jump, Baba, so you won't feel cold.
Holly, I'll jump with you.
Yay!
I'm paddling.
Ano, cold?
No.
What?
Paddle. Like paddle.
Whatever, you're cold.
I'm not.
You are.
Yeah.
No jumping there, Baba.
Yeah, I can.
What a pool says it's so cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2,
Wait, let me see if I can do it.
go. Is it cold? Yes. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Malamig din yan eh. No way, it's cold. No running, Zach.
Warmer than this one.
That one?
That one's warmer than this one.
Okay. Zach, no jumping there.
Life is a winding road, no tell.
Tapos na mag-swimming. Bihisan ko na si Holly. Okay, tapos na yung outing natin. Uwian na. Come on, Holly! Ivy! Ayun si Holly. Nag-slide pa talaga. Hello! Magsa-sightseeing tayo guys bago tayo umuwi. The view!
Barbie.
The view!
Wait. Shouldn't that be the other way around or? Oh
Look
no,
at the
it goes down.
view. Ayan yung view guys. Oh.
Dad, you're gonna hope I don't have a smart.
Look at that, guys, having lunch with his motorbike.
Nice. Ayan yung view from here guys. Ayun mga bahay yan doon. Photo shoot.
Oh my god. Now I can't see the boys on.
Max,
Get in front, Max, please.
Max! Come here, Max! Oh. Okay, tapos na yung pictorial natin. Pasok kami dito guys sa Sotel Golf Club kasi si Jan, Kuya, and Willow maglalaro sila dito.
Got her on?
Wala, tingnan lang daw nila saglit. Going home na raw. Alin? Uwi na raw. Ayan yung trees. Kanina papakita ko saan sa yung nahuli na tayo. Ang laki ng trees. Isa.
If we just kept
Dalawa.
driving
Ayan.
at night.
Laki no?
Yeah.
Another golf course guys.
Dad, I want to go here.
What golf course is this?
Before you tie her on.
That helps.
Coffs Harbor Han Golf Club.
Yeah, this is the Bay Range group.
The
This
Bay.
is the Coffs Harbour Golf Club.
No,
Coffs
Dad, the
Harbor.
trees help me. If I hit it out to the trees,
So
it'll
another
hit a
golf
tree,
course
come back
guys kasi
down.
maglalaro sila din
Dad, I wanna
dito
play here.
habang nandito tayo. Stop tayo dito sa maliit na grocery nila. Coke. We got Coke. We gotta get Coke. Do we have Coke? We still have? Punta lang ako saglit lang habang nandun pa sila. Tingin lang tayo saglit. Kung anong meron dito. Sana may sinigang mix. Eto gusto ko to yung beans. Ano ba ito? Eto. So eto lang yung nabili natin doon. What you got, kids?
Never shook on it.
Oh, lollies. How about you, Baba?
Finished my tractor shed.
Is that the little shed?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Simon!
Tractor shed niya tapos na raw. Is Logan made that one?
No,
Logan?
Trev, you know.
Red
Eto, kainin ko to. In fairness, masarap siya, guys. Maalat na may konting tamis.
Good boy, Gus.
Parang meron siyang kahawig na lasa sa atin na chichirya nung elementary. Sarap. We are back here, guys. Han, I'll put the heater, Han. Ayan, binihisan ko na si Holly kasi malamig na.
You want a red ripper?
No, thank you.
You like red skills?
No, thanks. Dito na siya, guys. Ayan na yung mga nilaban. Fold it, babe!
You can do it. I got it. I washed it. I got it, dried them.
Pahinga lang ako pero mag-edit ako. Kumakain ako nitong Pocky. Yung mga bata, nandun siya sa labas.
Fell on the floor here.
Yung tawag na
It's
hulo.
yours.
Yeah, hang it there, Han,
Yeah,
please.
it's dry.
Not me, Saka went there. Ay, fold niya na. Kasi babalik niya yun sa cabinet. Pag dry na nilalagay niya sa cabinet. Kasi ayaw yung may mga nakakahanghang dyan. Ayun, binalik niya na. Oh, fold the clothes, babe! Pinakuha ko si Jan ng fruit box. Kasi yung mga fruit box nasa SK niya. Thank you. Thank you. Hindi ko natapos yung in-edit ko kasi si Jan tinatawag na ako. Punta na daw ako sa kabila. Ayan, nag-trackies na tayo guys. And mag-boots tayo kasi malamig na guys. Bumalik ako kasi hindi kaya ng lamig itong suot ko. Kunin ko yung mabalahibo kong jacket. Ayan. Ito, panglaban sa lamig. And naglalaro sila ng cards. Nag-transfer kami dito sa loob kasi malamig sa labas. Ah, ayan, may heater dito. Eh, yung aking moon chair. Thank you. Ha, the same color of your jumper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like dinner lang guys. Ako busog pa ako. Ayan, cub.
That's what I want.
With spinach.
Oh, I don't like cob.
I'm full. Tapos nang kumain sila. Kung hindi ako masyadong kumain kasi sobrang busog pa ako. And si Ivy and Holly, ayan, nagpipainting sila. Yung mga boys, ayan. Naglalaro. 6:43 pa lang, guys. Parang gabi na. Si Brody, ano na rin. Nasa bed na. Oh, did you? Nasa na rin siya, nasa bed. Yung mga bata, iniwan ko dun. Dito na sila. From the other caravan. Pinapakita ni Kuya yung bago niyang wallet kay Daddy. Sak, what do you think of my
4 home games.
chips? No. How much you got, yeah?
170.
You find a wallet somewhere, mate.
He's got
That's a
310.
nice wallet.
So I don't owe you anything, Kuya.
There you
Because
go.
No, you don't.
Hi, I bought you that one, that
Where's
wallet.
Holly's wallet?
I don't know.
You still got it on me. 40.
40.
It was on
Okay.
this bed.
Oh, it's not here. I don't know where you
She
put
knows
it.
where it is, Holly.
I don't,
You
babe.
have to know.
It was right.
Look in my bag. Look at there. Just be careful. So, wakas natapos ko na rin yung aking ini-edit. 40 minutes siya, guys. Ang haba ng vlog natin. And yung mga kasama ko, yung mga anak ko, at saka si Jan wala pa dito. Nandun pa sila sa kapitbahay.
Guys, we're gonna close the vlog now, so thank you for watching our vlog. Please like and subscribe if you haven't seen
What?
on our next vlog.
If you have, please like.
Please like and subscribe if you haven't seen on.
Ano? Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet.
Please.
Yung pinipimple ako, oh. May pimples tayo, oh.
Bye.
Good night, guys. Thank you, guys. Good night. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys.
Next to me. You're next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you